How to redeem Visa gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a Visa gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to use a Visa gift card online, then firstly let us understand how to use it. Gift cards are incredibly useful when shopping for that person that's hard to shop for. Even store brand credit cards can be iffy if you don't know what stores or restaurants a person likes. This is what makes Visa cards so handy. They can be used anywhere that accepts Visa, in person or online. They can also be a useful alternative for those who don't have a bank account. Now, to use a Visa gift card online, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Then, enter the 16-digit number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV number on the back in the relevant fields and complete your purchase. Make sure you activate your Visa card before using it by calling the toll-free number on the back. As mentioned before, Visa cards can be accepted anywhere that accepts Visa. When you go to check out online, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Do not select the option to pay with a gift card. This option is for store brand gift cards that only work with that particular retailer. Enter the 16-digit number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV number on the back, and your gift card will be redeemed. So this is how you can redeem a Visa gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Log and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.